I'm Todd Meisch, President and CEO of the Illinois Chamber of Commerce. I'm here today representing our political arm, Chamber PAC. We're here to announce two very important endorsements in the upcoming general election. Those are endorsements in the Illinois Supreme Court. We all know that we're going to elect a new governor this year. Legislative candidates are going to be running from the southern tip of the state all the way up to the Wisconsin border, but not nearly enough voters pay attention to the Supreme Court, even though the court has a huge impact on all of our lives and certainly has an impact on the economy and our prosperity moving forward. So let's take a look at those endorsements. The first is Judge Daniel Shaines from the 2nd District. Second is Justice Michael Burke from the 3rd District. These are newly drawn districts and very competitive. And as I said, we believe they hold the balance of power of the Supreme Court, not just for an election cycle, but potentially for generations to come. Very competitive races. That's why endorsement and voters' involvement in these races are incredibly important. So let's go ahead and take a look at these districts a little more closely. The first is the 2nd District. This is the Wisconsin line. This is northeastern Illinois. The counties of DeKalb, Kane, Kendall, Lake, and McHenry in their entirety make up the 2nd District. This is a swing district. There's no doubt about it. We think the Democrats hold a slight edge, D+2, based on the Attorney General's race from 2018. But take a look at it a little more closely. You see that Governor Rauner won by 14 points back in 2014. And in 2020, President Biden won by 14 points as well. So you've got a lot of swing voters in this district, especially in Lake County, where Justice Shaines resides. So we think he's very well positioned to do well in Lake County and consequently the rest of the district as well. Let's take a little closer look at Justice Shaines. He currently serves as the Deputy Chief Judge of the 19th Judicial Circuit Court that is Lake County. A lot of time on the bench, but before that he was a prosecutor, putting people charged with murder and child sexual predators behind bars. Crime is incredibly important to all our communities right now. Justice Shaines has years of experience as a prosecutor. So let's take a look at the 3rd District. This is a little bit bigger. Bureau County in the west, all the way down to Iroquois County in the south. The real heart of this population-wise, though, is DuPage and Will County. Again, all those counties are in this district. And it's actually a little bit more Republican. If you look at this, Rauner wins by 12 points, but Trump was within 8 points, 50-50 in the Attorney General's race. Again, razor-thin margins, could go either way, very competitive. Closer look at Justice Burke. He's been on the Illinois Supreme Court since 2020, a lot of time on the bench before then. Again, though, another opportunity to put a prosecutor on the bench to deal with criminal issues. So what is it really at stake for our economy? All sorts of issues are at stake, but tax fairness, lawsuit climate. We all know that our current system is slanted towards personal injury attorneys and their bank accounts. We need to even that out and make things more fair. Crime, we've talked about, incredibly important for our communities. Contract law, legislative redistricting, yes, partisan and ideological balance make a difference in Illinois. So legislative redistricting, where we haven't had fair maps, is incredibly important. And then overall business competitiveness. Finally, these gentlemen have earned Chamber's support. We think they deserve your support as well. How do you get involved? JudgeShaines.com, JusticeMichaelBurke.com. They'll tell you how to get a yard sign, how to contribute, how to volunteer to get involved in these campaigns. Or you can call the Illinois Chamber of Commerce. We have a dedicated email address, Supreme Court at ilchamber.org. We will help you determine how you want to get involved and answer any questions you have. So these gentlemen have earned our support. We think they deserve your support as well. We look forward to having you get involved and supporting great candidates. Thank you.